Oh, hello there. Welcome to Peacock Vision. What's up, Peacock heads? Today we're going to be making pulled pork pastry puffs. You get your pulled pork, you add barbecue sauce 3 times exactly. No more, no less. Swishy, swishy, swishy. Wash them eggs.
Let me shoot this guy a point.
One, dos, boom! Put your meat in the croissant rolls. Then go figure, you roll them up. Add cheese if you would like. With that egg wash that we prepared earlier, wash away. The egg wash makes them golden brown. Bake at 350 degrees for 11 minutes. And there you have it, pulled pork pastry puffs. Like and subscribe if you would like to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Look at the blue part, Mark. Look at the blue part. Thank you for watching.